Hey guys, I'm back and today we are going to be doing Love, which is a Windows machine and it's part of liankusangi's OSCP like list, which preps you for the OSCP. This box is rated easy, not too easy, and medium. The votes are pretty evenly distributed. So yeah, I've already ran my scans, which is an all-port scan, and then every port individually using SC and SV, and I'll put that to a file called Love TCP port details. So we notice that port 80 is open, SMB is here, something in SSH, and it says over here something staging.love.hack the box as well. I'm assuming this is referring to a domain, but I'll have to check that out as later. Um, yeah, we have MySQL as well. Um, the script doesn't tell us if we have unauthorized access or not. I don't know if that's part of the script. I think so. It should um, have it like trying default credentials in the script, but I'll take a look at it. We have port 5000, which is forbidden, 540 unknown, and evil WinRM over here for us to use. And then we have something over here, also an HTTP thing, DNS love. Yeah, that is pretty much it. So the first thing I'm going to look for is SMB. So let's do net exec SMB. Close this password. Oops. User. This is the IP already here. Double check. No, it's not. Okay. So let me just put shares over here. Nope, we don't have access. Let's try guest. So since were able to log in using this, I'm tempted to run other types of scans such as RID root. If I go here, and we can also go with users as well. Users. So nothing here. What the hell just happened now? Click the wrong button. Let's do users. And it didn't show anything. I can run the command again. Alright, so nothing here. Let's try enum for Linux. Right over here, we need to do that. Enum for Linux. And we will let this run. And let's go to 80, but before we do that, I'm also going to turn on burp. Let's open another tab over here and call this just web. Alright, so we're not getting anything here. We can just leave that and go straight to the website. So get out of this tab. So get out of here. So let's go proxy, HTTP history. Let's check the site out. Voting system ID. So you have voters ID over here. I'm tempted to write something like one admin cannot find voter with ID. Perhaps there's an SQL injection. Nope. Other things I want to check out is the source code. Interesting. So nothing in the source code, but we do have this. Let's run some scans on this actually. Let's run dir search. So I'm also going to make a notes file, nano notes, and I'll put that port 80, and over here potential SQL injection. Voting system. Oh yeah, one other thing that I gotta check is search exploit voting system. So we do have a couple of things over here. File upload, authenticator, remote code execution, authentication bypass, SQL injection. This requires. This is something that's worth seeing actually. Which one is this? 49. Okay, yeah. Check this out. 49. So over here it's giving login and passwords as the field, which isn't really what I don't think we have it. It's good to check the fields out. Let's check them out. So logging in, we have voter, password, admin, login, nothing. It's asking for voter ID, which is not implemented here, but let's give this a shot. I don't think it's gonna work though. This is also admin.login.php. Do we have admin here? We have admin slash index.php. Let's check that out. Username and password. Okay, so now we're probably getting to the right area. Let's do admin and admin. And over here we will probably see username, password. Send that to repeater. Over here, login, password, and all of the above. So let's give this a shot actually. Let's see if this works. Copy this. Paste. And let's send this here. So found, and apparently we have a redirection and it takes us to admin index.follow home. So I believe this worked out. Render. And yeah, it worked out. Voting system. So what password did they use over here? So this worked. To make this show up on my website or my browser, I'm just going to do what is the damn thing called? Show response in browser. Copy, paste, and there we go. We're in. Now I've encountered things like this where we had to, well, now that we have access, we can do search exploit voting system. And over here, file upload RCE, we do have this. Authentication, remote code execution. Oh, this is pretty nice. Search exploit cat50. Let's actually give this a try, and because I'm going to go into more detail with this one, I'm going to go over here and create another tab. No! Wait, I think I have, yeah, reports. CD reports. CD HTB. And we can just cat this. Perfect. So, let's go here, do this. Let's go here. Take a look at this first. Attacker's IP, attacker's port. So it's asking for this. Seems like it's doing the exact same, probably the exact same thing over here. Let's give it a try. Python 3. This, let's do H. And now it's asking for the IP here, which is this baby right here. Close this. Do I need to put admin? Yes or no? Let's check it out. So apparently it's using these. I think I'm probably going to have to edit this and just put admin here. Let's see what happens if I just use admin. Does it redirect me? Okay, yeah, it does. But not what I need. 50. Login URL. Index.php. This should be good enough. So let's go ahead and copy this. Put my IP, which is 10.10.40.12, and the port that I'll use is 9001. Let's do this sudo netcat 9001. Stage 1. Restart listener on 9001, which is done, and press enter to get shell. So it failed somewhere. By passing login. Post URL. Why is it going here? So what I am going to do is I'm going to log out of this, and what I want to check is if the attack that I did, right, did it change the username and password to admin? No, it didn't. Yeah, we can just again show responsive browser, copy. Okay. So how am I going to do this now? Cat 50. Nano 5. Thinking of changing this. I know I could probably bypass this. The SQL injection probably works. Admin upload file name. Let's try this now. This is from this command that we probably ran, URL. The URL that we used is argument 1. Oh, why did we not change this? Oh yeah, we probably did. 403. Great. Let's go here. Let's do search. Admin ASD. Nope. What the hell, why isn't this working? I mean, no worries. We can just go back here. Does upload work? Not found. What about upload.php? Not found. So we're gonna have to do this a different way. Let's remove this from now and check some other things. 5008. Let's do another search exploit and voting system. Authenticated remote code execution. Yeah, this is the one that I wanted to check out. And isn't this the one that we did? Yeah. So we already have this. This is authentication bypass. While this one, 843. Oh, this is the one that we did. So we did not do this one yet. Okay. Search exploit. Let's see what this thing is made of. 496. So this is the code. So you want me to replicate this whole thing? Oh, this is unauthenticated. Okay. This is the vulnerable code that they're talking about. And this is the payload that we're gonna have to send. So let's not copy this admin. Let's go over here. Add. I'm pretty sure if we do, this is going through burp. Yes, it is. Let's go back to burp and let's just clear history for a second. And let's do add. This thing they're probably talking about. So before I do that, I'm actually going to put burp to intercept mode. And from here, let's try test. Test L. Position. Get nothing. So they're asking me for a photo. I believe, where did I use a photo? What's the last one I did, bro? Yeah, I think it's bounty. And, well, okay, I think these are actually quite big, so, let's just use this, man. So I'm gonna intercept it anyways. Test plat. Save. There is no option for position. So I think we gotta make a position over here. I'll allow this. New description. Test description. Maximum voters. Let's put 2. And let's forward this. Forward this. Nothing to complain here. Forward. New. Test description. put this and test plat. Save. So send to repeater. Now here is where things are going to happen. Remove all this. Let's take a look at what's going on here. File name. So name photo right over here. This is okay. And this command over here. Would this even work? Yeah, okay. And form data add. Form data name add. So I'm pretty sure we got to remove this. And I think we can remove all of this as well, hopefully. And let's give this a try. Found. Let's follow the redirection. Nothing here. What do we call this? I don't think it actually worked. Images, okay. So now you're saying that if I just and I can go here, let's drop this, let's turn intercept off, let's go here. It worked. Alright, great. So we got a code execution. Let's try to get a reverse shell now. So from here, if I scroll to the top, there was a command that was being, over here in this script they used, which was this. I don't think it makes sense to use this because it's a Windows machine. So for Windows, let's go. You can basically upload a PHP file. So let's just go to RevShell. Advance. Okay. 10.10.14.12. 9001. Let's go to Windows. PHP. This one is my favorite thing to try on Windows. 10.10.14.12. 9001. Copy this. Let's find the command that we ran before. There you go. So we're going to put this in here. And we'll name this reverse.php. Reverse.php. Send. Follow redirection. It was successful. I think it might have ran like that. Yeah, it did. Okay, so we have now got our reverse shell. Who am I? dir. So we see administrations there, but before that, let's do who my priv. Okay, we don't have anything here. Users, dir, cd desktop, and there is our user.txt. And let's do cat desktop.ini. Oops, type desktop. Okay, whatever. So from here, should I just get linpiece on right away? Let me check some manual things on this administration thing. Administration dir, and we have some things here. We have program files. Let's check program files out. Okay, I don't think we should be all the way here. Where tools? I think I'm just doing something stupid right now because obviously this is probably not going to work. Okay, I'm not even going to bother with it, honestly. Let's check out this manifest.txt before I dip out of here. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. So, examp. Now, we knew that we had, like, I think multiple web servers, so I want to check their databases as well. We do have this thing over here, password.txt file. Let's check this out. Root means no password, admin, post, new user, blah. Shell, script, password, PHP. There's a lot of things here. Let's go to Apache first. I don't think we're going to find anything in here. I could check scripts to see. Nothing. CD PHP. Let me check that out. W, dir, nothing. Oh, we do have test over here, which is yeah. Okay, let's just get out of PHP. This anonymous thing we could check out. What is this one file? That's HTML, never mind. Incoming. Okay. Web dev. It's also here. Type web dev.txt. Okay. Check MySQL. We have a backup thing over here. Let's check this out. Type my.ini. Okay. So you're saying there's a data thing over here. CD data. This is the vote system that I believe that we're using, CD vote system. And from here we can just get stuff out of here. Oh, so we do find something over here. I don't know what the hell. Where does it stop? Over here? Hash identifier. Let's close this. Okay, so it's this whole thing. Let's take this and just put it into hashcat. Save. Call it hash. File location. CD. Let's take this. Hash. Fuck you. Okay, let's this and put M2300. Alright, let's let this run. This might take longer than expected, but let's check out some other things. So we checked out that, let's check out this. I mean, I don't think we need to check out this, to be honest. Status running. Alright, let's let this run and yeah. Let's get out of the vote system. We also have cd test and type db.opt. Nothing here. Let's get out of test. php my admin. Whoa. There's so many stupid encryptions, honestly. I'm gonna check the in these type of extensions, so I'm gonna just note all this and put in my notes. Nano notes. What the hell happened? Why did it end? What? So I think the file was probably removed, which is weird. We're gonna do something. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna redo this. Follow redirection and send. Okay. Now, since we are here and to not lose this shell anymore, I'm going to put something else in here. Let's do MSF Venom, Windows 64, interpreter reverse. No, we don't need that. Just go. This is fine. Or .exe. Did it crack yet? No, okay. Python 3 curl HTB 10.10.14.12 output. Alright, while this is going there, I'm also going to locate WinPs. Let's just do copy this to here. Alright, so now that we have this, let's open sudo netcat 4 and let's run this baby. We should also run system info. Strange why this is not working. If this doesn't work, we can remove reverse.exe and let's get another type of reverse shell in here. There we go. This is staged. Let's give this a try. Oh, I do need to change this port to this. So now when I clear this, netcat 5. Great. Now let's do the curl command again. What the hell? Why did this? Strange. Alright, let's just get linps on here as well. WinPs, I mean. Come on. It's taking too long. I'm going to cancel this because this is definitely not the way in. Unless... Crack station. Nope. Don't have it. Why isn't this not working? Alright. Whoa. Okay, some basic information, blah blah blah. Find any vulnerabilities. Session name. What the hell is this? Oh, we should also check this out. Let's get a note of all these type of things. So, nano notes. This baby over here. This. Let's continue on. Oh, okay. There's our Privisk. do. Chill. Something running internally. Never mind, that's UDP. You should also run this command. We can try to crack this. See password reuse, nano. We do have access to these, which also help. So, kind of obvious to use this to priv-esc, but before that, I'm just going to check cmd key / list. Okay, nothing there. Yeah, let's just go with this and get it over with, man. It's like 3 a.m. So always install elevated exploits. Let's go always install elevated priv-esc. Blah blah, I don't want to see all this. Enumeration, don't care about this. Exploitation, don't care about this. This is what I care about. Alright, this is what I care about. So let us do this. Port, we'll keep this lhost 10.10.14.12 MSI, let's do, let me just lowercase this. So, hopefully this thing actually works. So now it's time to transfer this file. So for transferring, let's just use curl, actually wget 10.10.14.12. So Yeah. 1.5. Alright, we are good to go. Now that I've transferred this, sudo netcat 234 elevate.msi. Okay, who am I? And there we go. We are now administrator or NT authority system. Desktop. Alright, that's about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and learned something. Personally, I would rate this an easy box. Um, but I know like it might not be as easy because it did involve code review to actually exploit this. And I know a lot of people aren't like familiar with code reviews, but at the same time, voting system is a common type of application you encounter in CTFs. I knew that it had an exploit for this. Like I was right when I saw voting system, I was like, wait, let me do search exploit on it, right? Because I've encountered this like a long time ago. Just seems very familiar. But yeah, besides that, take care, guys, and see you. Also, before I end the video, I just want to say I appreciate all the comments and the likes. Honestly, it's just motivation for me. Obviously, I'm kind of busy these days. I have some interviews coming up. I have, a job offer as well. Um, with that, also, Ramadan just ended. But yeah, so obviously I haven't been posting out contents that much, but I'm slowly gonna start doing it every single day, and keep it consistent. But I appreciate everything so much, like all the comments, the likes, and even personally reaching out to me. It feels awesome. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right then. And also, the link for the Discord server is going to be in the description if you want to check that out. It's not as active. It's not really, there's not much people there. It's like 6, 7. But yeah, eventually one day it'll grow. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, take care.